Hello, pretty girl. You're super sweet today. Are you super sweet today? You are. What a good girl. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. That's a pretty bird. That's a pretty bird. That's a pretty bird. Sweetie's doing really well. I think she's in remission. We haven't done the test to confirm that, but she has had no symptoms for many months. Her weight is all gained back. She actually got kind of chunky there for a bit, and she's doing really good. She's very happy, playful. I mean, she's kind of older. She's about 31 now, so she's kind of not that active anyway. She spent most of her life just kind of sitting around, so she doesn't have a lot of strength. And the vet said she had even more muscle atrophy when she was sick. So she's not very strong, but she climbs around, she plays, she does lots of chewing. She's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. Sweet birdie. She acts super healthy. No issues at all. It's amazing. It's amazing. Because I didn't know if I was going to have her much longer there for a bit. She was so sick. It's been like almost 8 months since she got sick. She's doing great. She's a good girl. Oh, sweet macaw. Yeah, you're a good girl. What are you doing? I am the only one who can handle her like this, by the way. She's grumpy. She's a grumpy girl. Huh? I don't know what that means. She likes her new stand too. Huh? Don't ya? Don't ya?